hair blows in the wind.
The unicorn is blue. No, take that back, it's rainbow.
I'm a unicorn.
I want some monster, you guys. Oh, I'm right here. Right next to you. Right next to you.
I want some monster, you guys. Gosh, you know what I totally want to do? You guys have to check this out. Hold on.
You're gonna flash.
Like you. Oh my god! Thank you for the head injury. Thank you.
Again, didn't happen yesterday.
Yes, with this part though. First slapping my ass and everything, and now this. What country?
My face is in it. But you ready to get... Music? Where's my iPod?
Music. I don't know, in your shirt.
No, it's not. It's right here. My iPod. In my pocket.
What are you wearing?
What are you wearing, you guys? Yes, what are you wearing? Comment me on what are you wearing.
Farts! I'm gonna fart in your face. I'm gonna fart on your mother. Just kidding.
Really?
No. I don't even know your mother. Why would I fart on someone I don't even know?
Because that's better than farting on someone you do.
Oh.
I guess.
I'm gonna fart on my brother. Just kidding, I don't even have a brother. I wish I had a brother. What's it like having brothers?
I want some monster, you guys.
There's my brother.
From another mother.
I don't even know. Hello.
It's my gay brother. Like, no joke.
Did he leave? Oh my gosh,
And
he
he's
was.
not even straight.
Yeah, he's gay.
Literally.
Yay for gay people. I'm straight.
Oh, I'm gonna go to Target. You need to Target and go back in.
What are you wearing? Sorry, didn't mean to touch you there. Whoa, what now? You touched my box? Farts! I'm gonna fart in your face.